Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your TOZO Tonal Dots too quiet. Firstly, I recommend to remove your ear tips from both of your earbuds and clean the grill. You can use a brush if you have cleaned or toothbrush if you haven't, and just clean it. By the way, at this channel we have video how to clean it, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. Now, if you have problem with only one earbud, we can change sound balance to fix it. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Android device, and then I will move to iOS, but some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part to find a correct path to this setting. So now let's get started. Open the settings on your Android device, and we need to go to accessibility. I have stock Android and it's located at the bottom in the settings. Enter accessibility, and we need to scroll down again and find audio adjustment. At the bottom also I have it. Tap at this line, and right here we have volume balance. If you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move this slider to the right, and now we increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left one. And if you use 100% on the right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. If you have this problem with the left one, you just move this slider to the left, and you need to check it also when you move it. Maybe it fixed. Also, maybe the problem is that these earbuds just too old. Maybe you're watching this video in the future and this is your problem. The last one, I recommended to, if these methods didn't help you, contact customer service. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Oh no, sorry, I forgot to show you how to do this on Apple device. So now let's move to the iPhone. And on your iPhone, open settings, and we need to also go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. Enter here and scroll down. In the hearing, we have audio and visual. Enter here and scroll down again. Right here we have audio balance. So if you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move the slider to the left earbud. But by the way, on iOS 26, at least right now, you cannot just tap at the place and move this dot or the slider to this place. You need to move it. Maybe they will fix it in the future. And we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And if you use 100% on the left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. If you have this problem with the right earbud, just move the slider to the left. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.